Hello everyone, Cozy, welcome back. Today, I'm gonna demonstrate how to make a pouch. So let's take a look at your materials and prepare them, please. The first thing you want to do is take and lay the lining wrong side up and take your interfacing. Lay it shiny and stick it side down. Next, what you want to do is press it with your iron for about 5 minutes. The next one that I'm gonna show you is our main fabric. So now we're gonna take the zipper and then put your zipper face down along the seams. Next, we're gonna put the lining wrong side up so these edges match. Now stitch along the line. Our next step is put another lining right side up. And put this section that we made. And we just need to put the other main fabric wrong side up. Stitch along the line. Next, you want to flip these over and press it flatly. Now put the main fabric right sides together. So now put also the lining right sides together and pinning. Now stitch along the line except the opening. Our next step is unzip the zip a little bit. And match the seams. So now we are gonna stitch along the lines. Now turn it. The next thing you want to do is close the opening with blind stitch. If you turn it right side out, you can finish your pouch completely. Maybe you think it's an easy project for you, isn't it? Alright guys, see you next time. Bye!